Okay, let's talk about another object that is sound. We have a lots of interesting sound, people, nature, and the city. For example, first people. We have a lots of sound here that if you click that and drop it here, now you can see we have an area. In this area, you can listen your sound. In the settings, you can enable or disable it, or you can change the value of that. How much do you want to hear? The shape of this area and the distance of that. You can make a distance lower number. Now you can see. Now it is, I think this is better. Now, this is an area that you can hear the sound. Going forward and boom. Select it. Oh, 10 centimeters, sorry. Enter. Now, click. Now you can see when we reach this sphere area that you can move it. Sound area. If you reach to this area, we can listen that sound. Okay, can. This area can be box or sphere. And the value of that. That's it. It's very simple. If you reach this area, you can listen that. Or you can come here and, for example, this sound. If we go to the area of that sound, we can listen that. And you can see we haven't fall off from the edge to the center. And now we have full sound. It has a small setting, but it's very easy to use. And be careful about your export. If you want to export sound, they are not export entire video or of course in panorama. Just you can export the sound across the presentation mode. They are not export as a video.